Hello and welcome to IP Watch Corporation. My name is Panda Armstrong, Director of Marketing and Client Education. In this video, I would like to talk to you about one of our trademark search products, and this is our Innovation Indicator Report, which is just an abbreviated version of our Federal Comprehensive Search product. Now, this product is designed to provide you with quick feedback for trademark availability to aid in the decision-making process. Our product can assist you whether you are an individual, business law firm, or large company with a marketing team, because we provide a PDF which turns quantitative data into qualitative data that is easily interpreted at a glance without the need for a background in trademark law. So I'm going to go to Trademark Search Product. Then I will go down to our Federal Search. And here I will click the Learn More button underneath our Federal Search products. So the one I want to draw your attention to today is the Federal Innovation Indicator Report. This is also sometimes referred to as a knockout summary. So I will go to Purchase. We have provided an information button to the right to allow you to get the best results out of your search. Now I do want to draw your attention to the last one here. If your term is a phrase of 2 or more words, you may want to purchase a search with the space in between your terms and one without the space in between your terms, because you may get different results by adding that space. And next we will choose our class. And if our term or intended trademark falls into more than one class, I could press this plus button and add another class. You should know that our system does search all classes. However, if your term or intended trademark falls into more than one class, it would be beneficial to add this class. So I don't need that, so I will just press this X and remove that. And I can proceed to checkout. Now this total is the purchase price without a monthly subscription. We do have discounts depending on your subscription level, but this purchase price is just if you needed to do a one-time search. So I will proceed to checkout. I'll go ahead and log into my account. And I do have to go back in to our Federal Search products, and here you'll see our Federal Innovation Indicator Report. Under my account, I am an invoice user, so I do have a discount on my search products. So here our Innovation Indicator Report is only $200 instead of $350. And since I'm an invoice user, my payment information has already been stored and will be added to the monthly invoice. So once I've looked over my order and everything looks correct, I will agree to the terms and conditions, and you can click into that link and read those, and place order. Once I have successfully completed my order, I will be prompted to go back to my customer dashboard. Now, the Federal Innovation Indicator Report only takes a couple of minutes to generate a PDF that is downloadable. Now, our internal database does search the USPTO as well as state databases. It includes live and historical data as well as social media and other common law usage. So as we look at our PDF here, you'll see that you don't just get a list of usage or other trademarks that may conflict with the term in which you search. You get an interpretation of that data that is presented in an easily understood and intuitive way without the need for a background in intellectual property law. So our level of use is in the green. However, our dilution and overall strength are in the red, which means there is some usage of this term or trademark in the market. If you look at these last two, likelihood of third-party challenge and likelihood of USPTO registration, both of those gauges are in the green, so you're safe in those departments. However, you should know that there is some usage, and this is a term that has not been trademarked, but it has been used in social media sites. Our system has also provided you with a breakdown of each category. Basically, the only one of concern here is social media, and there's 3 exact marks found. Looking further down, marks used as part of another mark, we have 6 in the advertising and marketing category. So these tables just show you the areas in which you most likely have difficulties in terms of registering your trademark. Our system does conduct searches not only with the exact mark, but also the phonetic equivalent. So in this example, we got similar results to the previous category. And last on our PDF is this yes-no checklist. And these are trademark registration qualifiers that would likely result in the rejection of your trademark application. The trademark and patent application process can take several months. So this is a good way to help you identify areas in which your application may be rejected. So ideally, we would want all of these boxes to have a check mark in the no column. So I'm going to go back and conduct this search again, but this time I'm going to use a term that I know is trademarked. And as you review over your order, if you find something that is incorrect, maybe you put the wrong class, you can click Edit Order, and it will take you back and allow you to edit your order. So then I'll continue on. And as we get to our customer dashboard, we'll see that this one has already generated. So we'll go ahead and click into that. So if we go further down and we look at these gauges, since this is a known trademarked term, we would expect to see these gauges to fall in the red zone. So once again, we have a green-red continuum on our gauges to allow us a level of danger or safety for the search term. So we have a high level of usage and dilution. Overall strength is also in the red. Likelihood of a third-party challenge and likelihood of USPTO registration, those are both in the danger zone. So this is definitely a term that you would have to watch out for. More than likely, your application for this term will be rejected. If we look at our first table on the following page, we see we have one term that is federally trademarked in the same class, and then we have a domain name in a different class, and social media usage in a different class in 3 other instances. So definitely a term we would want to watch out for. And most likely not submit an application for, because it costs you time and money, and most likely you will be rejected. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you and has shown you how easy it is to interpret the PDF generated by IP Watch Corporation. Thank you so much for trusting IP Watch for all of your intellectual property needs.